One name stands above all others in the evolution of modern firearm design, setting new standards for performance, reliability, and safety through innovation, ingenuity, and engineering. Introducing a superior Stryker-fired pistol, setting a new standard in fit, safety, and trigger performance. With the best out-of-the-box trigger found on a Stryker-fired pistol. Crisp break and full-length stainless steel slide rails designed to maximize performance with rail-mounted accessories. A Stryker safety prevents the Stryker from releasing unless the trigger is pressed. A disconnect safety prevents the pistol from firing out of battery. The Stryker-fired pistol has evolved.